Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can customize the design of your website and newsletter within Beehiiv. So once you're in your dashboard, you can go to settings right here, then go to website, and here you can see all the colors that you're using right now. So you can change that, for example, make it green, this a bit lighter, this lighter too. If you're having trouble with choosing colors, you can go to color.adobe.com and you can select colors that you like. You can get some inspiration and you can select colors right here. So the layouts, you can choose to choose a newspaper, but I prefer the default. It's much better in my opinion. So the landing page, so that's this, you can make that dark and I prefer that. So when I refresh, boom. Also this changed because I made it green instead of red. The font, you can use Google fonts for some inspiration. For example, filter it on sans serif. You can get some inspiration. For example, Open Sans, and it's right here. If you like that, you can maybe put this also in Open Sans, like this. Buttons and forms, you can make it a circle, square, round. I prefer round. Logo shadow, let's just keep it medium. So that's basically it. How you customize the landing page as well as your primary colors. So once you want to customize a post or an email, the colors and the typography and stuff, you can use your primary colors to do that. So yeah, you have a lot of options. You can change everything. Boom, and it changes. So I recommend you choosing between these because these are your colors that of your brand, of your email newsletter. So and you can customize everything. I love. So Beehiiv is perfect platform. Don't forget to save it once you're done. And that's basically how you customize your newsletter on the website. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned how to customize your website, please subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, see you in the next one.